Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien here on the morning of Thursday or Friday. Yeah, TGIF, October 20th, 2023. Well, this has been a strange month, starting with Israel's situation over there in Gaza and a way of thinking that's dying a hard death. You got 230 something countries on this planet. Nation states, you call them. We call them segmentation, because that's what I had in my ancestral planet. 444 segments. Can you imagine 444 nation states in a planet that's 88% your size? Yeah. Wow, it was unbearable. And a way of thinking that mirrors your U.S. presidents. Kind of crazy, huh? Wow. Here you have democracy and communism and totalitarianism. Yeah. Well, we had that. We also had religious sectors and people that wanted to, oh, well, you are a segment here, so you deserve a place on the planet. Or as you call it here on your planet, homeland. Oh boy, did that cause a lot of problems. For century after century, it caused a lot of problems. My ancestral planet, for most of its lifetime, was a warring planet, worse than yours, even more atrocious than yours. Kill them, kill us, kill them, kill us, kill them, kill us. Eliminate them, wipe them off the face of the earth. And there were some that did that, wiped them off the face of the planet. Whew. Yeah. Plus, we also, you guys have what, 4, 5 maybe pigmentations on this planet? You call them colors. Black, red, yellow, colors. Asians, oh, you yellow guys, yeah. Blacks, oh, you blacks, yeah. And all you red guys, I've never seen a red Indian. Have you guys ever seen a red Indian? I haven't. Well, that's the problem, Americans. And then you got intervention. And intervention, wow, is a dangerous situation. President made a case that, oh, we have to intervene in Ukraine and we have to intervene in Israel because we have to save democracy. Boy. Democracy doesn't work anyway. You prove it yourself in your home country of the United States. Prove to me it works and govern yourself better. But you haven't done that. So if you can't govern yourselves, and you're trying to defend your way of thinking on other countries or push them on other countries, that doesn't work either. Intervention causes a lot of problems. And Mr. Biden is right when he tells you that the cost to humanity is going to be great later. Oh, it is. But not for the reasons and the thinking that he's thinking. It's for not doing the right thing. And only you can come up with the right thing. For us, the right thing was, and let me tell you about my history. Like I told you numerous times before, my ancestral planet got blown up with 14 billion souls. We had 18 different pigmentations. Only 4 survived. 4 out of 18. Wow. That's not even a quarter, huh? Oh, boy. 500,000 out of 14 billion. 500,000. Plus DNA of another 2 million. Which came in handy because we had to keep our civilization. Okay? We are now 3 billion. Not even your size yet. But we almost didn't make it either. Because the people that are going to destroy you found us. And we were in no shape at all to present a defense. Our ships were ancient, and they had a better technology at the time. But within our star system, we had 2 other planets that were not humanoids. One was aquatic, and one was insectoid. And a third one was a reptilian, not associated with the other ones, because these reptilians that attacked us came from your planet, Earth. Oh, we didn't know that at the time, but when we found out, that's why we came to see you guys, to see, okay, we got humanoids on Earth, how are they? We found out you guys are disastrous. And boy, are you disastrous. You're taking yourself to extinction without even thinking. Oh boy. Well, the Mushka attacked us. We survived the first volley. The second volley took half our population. Half. We knew we couldn't survive a third one. And out of nowhere, we see ships coming in that are not who we think they are. And they started pushing these guys back. And they set up communications with us, telling us that they were from the 4th planet. And we knew about the 4th planet, but all we could find was insectoids. And we had the same stupid way of thinking at the time that you guys have here. We crush insects! Yeah, okay. But these insects were far ahead of us in technology and far ahead of us in the way of thinking. And they said, you guys are on the right track. You got away from your humanoid way of thinking and started thinking other ways. By coming in here and setting up a planet. We could have told you can't set up on this planet. But the planet was already messed up, and you guys took a century and a half to fix it. We never seen a race that could do that. Okay. Therefore, we knew you had potential, is what they told us. They humiliated the Mushka. And they're still at war with the Mushka. I didn't know they were at war for 1,000 years before that with the Mushka. But they are. And so are the other reptilians on the other planet. They wanted to form a universal defense between us, the aquatics, them, and the reptilians. So we formed what became our federation. Therefore, if you guys can't coexist as a human race, how can you go out in space and spread your thinking that's causing a lot of problems on this planet? We couldn't allow that. Therefore, we were not allowed to intervene or interfere in your affairs, even though you were fellow humanoids. And even though this planet's got insects and aquatics, the other races says they're primitive by our standards, but because of the primary race on the planet being humanoid, we can't allow that way of thinking to proceed outside of the galaxy, outside of the solar system, because it's dangerous thinking to us. So you see, Americans, it is up to you, and your president's not doing a good job of this. Israel and the Palestinians are a direct result of interference by you guys back in the 1920s and 40s. You guys created the mess. Same with Ukraine and Russia. They created their own mess over there because of Khrushchev's situation back in 1954. Taiwan and China, Mao Zedong won the war. And if the Taiwanese want to be something else, Formosa, for one, was part of China, wasn't it? So you see, there is no place on earth that you can transplant the Taiwanese. Why don't you tell the Chinese to hold off a century and make the Taiwanese find another home someplace else? Oh, I never thought of that. China will get Taiwan back without the Taiwanese being there. How about the Gaza? Do you guys really want to stay in that place and get killed and humiliated decade after decade after decade? Or do you want to find a homeland for yourself away from this planet of disaster? Create your own society outside of Earth. You have the technology to do it. Just ask for the world to help you. But are they? No. Because they don't understand themselves either. They don't understand what coexisting is. We understand it. We're centuries ahead of you. And we had to go through this mess. Will you survive? No. Because of the 144 planets we've discovered, 68% of them are dead because of their thinking that you guys on your planet have. This is your favorite alien saying, it's up to you, Americans. Do you want to govern yourself better? Do you want a better planet to live in? Or do you want to go to another home and start all over again? Good day.